Hi, I'm Chef Ryan, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking on Countertops. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're really going to hit home and talk about the InvisiCook system itself, things we've done in the past, and a couple of things moving forward. So today's episode we're going to be filming on this gorgeous slab of Dectin again. This thing is wonderful. You can cut on here, you can spill on here. I can do whatever I want to this countertop. Now, one of the things moving forward that we're going to start doing is we're going to start offering these wonderful fiberglass and silicone mats. We've dubbed them the InvisiMat. These things in testing we've gotten way above 500 degrees with. These things have been phenomenal, and they're also helping us to finally utilize a pan that we've been telling everyone not to use. And that would be the wonderful cast iron skillets. In our testing, we've gotten these skillets north of 1,000 degrees with these mats on a countertop. Nothing. No breakage, no cracking, no thermal shock, none of the bad stuff. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a pizza, quick, simple, personal pan pizza. We're going to have our wonderful assistants, Ruby and Zara, come in and give us a hand. So let's get going. Ms. Ruby.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. This is Ruby. She's going to be helping us out today. So let's get you rolling.
Sounds good.
All right, so Ruby is going to start flattening this out for us to get it in the pan. We said we were going to talk about InvisiCook a little bit today. And I know we haven't done that in a lot of our past episodes. We haven't touched on a lot of the little things. So some of the big things that really set us apart, that really help us cook on these countertops, is going to be our pan risers. Now, we moved away from the cork and moved back to a silicone-based pan riser. And the reason those pan risers are there is it creates just a little bit of an airflow. So the reason that helps so much is we don't want bare metal touching these countertops. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, get this in here. And like I said, you want this on a medium to high heat. We're going to leave it for roughly 10 minutes just to let the bottom get nice and golden brown. These mats really have been a lifesaver. Our one at home, it's made cooking so much easier. You're able to just throw this down, throw your pan on there without any risers, and you really don't have to worry about that thermal shock on your countertop, which is huge. That's huge for a lot of people. You're spending $2,000 to $3,000 on a countertop and you really don't want it to break. So while our pizza crust is finishing up, we've only got a few more minutes left on it. Miss Ruby is going to help us finish up the rest. What you got going on?
Perfect. So we just got some basic tomato sauce right here. We're going to add in some garlic. Everybody loves lots of garlic.
I do love garlic.
Some basil.
Little bit in there.
Fantastic. Yep. Good.
So now we should be almost set on the pizza. Our bottom should be a nice golden brown. So once that's done, what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and just flip the pie crust in the pan. So she's finishing this up for us. We're just getting the pepperoni on there. We got the cheese, we got the sauce. So once she's done, we're just going to cover this up, leave it for about 3 minutes. We should be able to enjoy this. So let's get this covered. And now you get to stare at me for 3 minutes while this cooks. So now that this is done, we're going to get our last little helper, Zara, in here. We're going to get this out. Get you a little piece of pizza. Ruby. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab mine from here. Not bad. Not bad. First pizza I've ever made. We want to say thank you to Dectin for supplying this wonderful countertop. The wonderful countertops that we've been able to use. And we also wanted to thank Coblon Cabinets for always hooking us up with these wonderful cabinets we've been using for all our shows. We just want to let you guys know that these mats are going to be available on inviscook.com right under the product page. So if you have a unit, or if you don't even have a unit, you just want to help protect your countertop, go ahead and get yourself one of these. She's done with the day. I'm done with the day. Cheers, boys and girls. Thank you guys so much for joining us on another episode of Cooking on Countertops.
Thanks very much.
And thank you so much to our wonderful assistants today, Ruby and Zara. Take care, guys.